Most faceless YouTube channels never make money, not because AI doesn't work, not because YouTube is saturated, and not because creators aren't working hard. The real reason is that most people misunderstand what they're actually building. They think they're making videos. Successful creators understand they're building assets. A digital asset is something you create once that can continue producing value in the future. A YouTube video is a digital asset. You create it today, but it can continue attracting viewers, subscribers, affiliate commissions, sponsorship opportunities, and ad revenue long after it's published. This is where many creators make their first mistake. They expect revenue before they've built enough assets. Imagine opening a bookstore with 5 books and expecting thousands of customers. Most people would immediately see the problem. Yet creators often upload a handful of videos, receive limited results, and conclude that YouTube doesn't work. The reality is usually much simpler. The asset base is still too small. If you're starting a channel today, stop asking how quickly you can make money. Start asking how quickly you can build a useful library. A creator with 50 useful videos has a completely different business than a creator with 5. The second mistake is believing a niche is saturated. People often look at a successful category and assume there is no opportunity left. But most niches are not saturated with excellence. They're saturated with average content. What remains scarce is clarity, research, judgment, trust, and useful information. Instead of asking whether a niche is saturated, ask whether you can create 100 genuinely useful videos on the topic. If you can, there is probably still opportunity. The third mistake is misunderstanding what YouTube actually rewards. Many creators believe YouTube rewards effort. It doesn't. YouTube rewards viewer behavior. One important metric is CTR, which stands for click-through rate. It's simply the percentage of people who click after seeing your thumbnail and title. If 100 people see your video and 5 click, your CTR is 5%. This matters because before people can watch your content, they first have to choose it. Another important metric is retention. Retention measures how long viewers stay and watch. If people leave after 30 seconds, retention is low. If they stay for most of the video, retention is high. High retention signals that viewers found the content useful, engaging, or interesting. This is why successful creators spend time improving titles, thumbnails, structure, pacing, and storytelling. They're not chasing tricks, they're improving communication. The fourth mistake is quitting too early. Many creators judge their channel after 5 or 10 uploads, but YouTube is a data system. The platform is constantly testing content and trying to understand which audience is most likely to enjoy it. The first videos are often less important than the lessons you learn from them. Instead of asking why a video failed, ask what it taught you. Every upload produces information. The creators who succeed are often the creators who stay long enough to learn. Now let's talk about AI. AI has changed the economics of content creation. Today, a creator can research, write, edit, and publish faster than ever before. But AI is not a substitute for thinking, it's leverage. For example, ChatGPT can help research a topic, it can organize ideas, it can identify audience questions and common mistakes. But the quality of the output depends heavily on the quality of the instructions. The same principle applies to video creation tools. The tool doesn't create value. The creator creates value. The tool simply reduces friction. This is why learning how to think is often more valuable than learning another piece of software. Finally, many people ask when they should quit their job and focus on YouTube full-time. For most creators, the answer is later than they expect. One viral video is not a business. One affiliate commission is not a business. A few $100s in ad revenue is not a business. A business has repeatable systems. A business has predictable revenue. A business has an audience that returns. A business continues creating value even when a single video underperforms. The goal is not to escape your job. The goal is to build something valuable enough that leaving becomes an obvious decision. If you're building a faceless channel today, focus on 3 things. Build useful assets. Study audience behavior. Improve one element with every upload. Don't focus on going viral. Focus on becoming valuable. Because successful creators don't treat YouTube like a lottery ticket. They treat it like a business. They build assets, they earn trust, they improve systems, and they allow compounding to do the heavy lifting over time. In the next video, we're going to explore the best faceless YouTube niches for 2026, how to evaluate opportunity, and where creators can still build meaningful businesses in a rapidly changing digital economy.